All right, so the tune is done. Right now we have it just on normal, no pops and bangs. No problem. Go on M1. All right, here you go. Let's go and give it a test drive and see. Take the traction control off. It's just too much power to control it quick. Alright, leave it on. We're gonna do the M1 part.
Think this is gonna be too long to send, or?
You could pause it until I get to the street there.